So, what is generative AI, or Gen AI as it's often been referred to? Generative AI refers to a category of artificial intelligence that can produce original outputs, such as text, images, audio, or video. Now, unlike discriminative systems that classify or predict, generative AI its objective is to create new data based on patterns it has learned during its training. Let's take a look at some of the additional objectives. So when we think about generative AI, it is designed with three primary objectives in mind. The first one being to independently generate new content. Generative AI creates original outputs. Think of text, images, or music based on patterns it has learned during its training. This capability allows it to mimic human creativity and produce unique results. Number two, to autonomously assist with complex problem solving. By providing users with a wide array of potential solutions, generative AI helps tackle challenging tasks. For instance, it can simulate scenarios, brainstorm innovative ideas, or optimize strategies across different departments and even different industries. And the final objective is to enhance human creativity. Generative AI enables users to discover new ideas and outcomes that may not have been envisioned independently. By collaborating with AI, users can push the boundary of their imagination and achieve unique results. Now, let's take a look at how generative AI functions. Well, generative AI is powered by machine learning and deep learning techniques. Now, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence where systems can learn patterns and make decisions based on data. What makes machine learning special, however, is that these decisions can be made on data without being explicitly programmed to do so. For instance, a machine learning model might analyze thousands of customers' reviews to identify recurring themes like satisfactions or complaints. Deep learning, on the other hand, is a more advanced form of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple layers. You may recall learning about neural networks when we reviewed the history of AI earlier in our course. These neural network layers process data in increasingly complex ways, enabling the system to recognize intricate patterns. Deep learning is the key to tasks like generating realistic images or understanding nuanced human language. During training, generative AI uses machine learning and deep learning techniques to process massive data sets, uncovering the intricate structures and relationships within the data. These techniques enable the system to recognize patterns and correlations that are crucial for generating coherent and relevant outputs. By leveraging these capabilities, generative AI offers limitless opportunities to create, to solve problems, and to innovate. Understanding its objectives and capabilities allows you to unlock the full potential of generative AI technology and to collaborate with this AI to achieve extraordinary outcomes. Now, let's take a closer look at how generative AI processes users' prompts step by step, enabling its ability to produce tailored outputs.